Hello, welcome everybody to this daily update on Money Squared YouTube channel. I suggest you to watch this video with 1.5x speed for better viewing experience and saving your time. Like, comment below your thoughts and subscribe to the channel. So let's go quickly and check the video from yesterday that we did, the analysis. Well, it's weekly down like here, or we can just tap this level. We can be something like this week, or tap this level and then come back up again and close bullish. But if we close bearish, either we're gonna close like small bearish quickly on the daily time frame, key level here which we need to break. Bearish at the moment, we can still continue to the downside. Previous daily highs, so technically this is just a retracement and not a change of trend, so we can still continue to the downside. So on gold, yesterday we said that we can continue to the downside after this highs will never was never been broken, even though after this bullish up movement correction basically. But this is not a fake out, because as my mentor said, after this whole huge move you need a correction, but as long as the lower highs are respected, the trend is still to the downside. So after this bearish confirmation yesterday, this was a very nice anticipated move. And today, now like if we see the price now where it is, we are at this strong support on gold, which we need to find some sort of support, and then for sells we need to break that support to be able to continue to the downside. But we have very frequent supports in all levels, so it's quite hard to say a profit target. But what I would love today is to come up price on smaller time frames, come to this level, retest again this level, form some resistance, something like right over here, and then retest the lows. These are better sells or safer sells, or after support is confirmed, break of the support for sells. For buys, however, risky buys are right now. If we tend to flip here, if we find support, let me just go on 2 hour quickly. Yeah, 2 hours still hasn't confirmed support. 1 hour is confirming some sort of support right over here, and then if we tend to come to the upside, form some resistance, break the highs here, we have this clean traffic which we can take some buys, even though we are in a bearish trend. But we anticipated that we need price to come here to retest the low. But if we break this resistance right over here and then break the highs, we can easily have some buys, which makes sense for a price to continue to the upside. Let's go quickly on 30-minute. Yeah, 30-minute now right now is in a range price, and then you have this resistance, so only above here it makes sense for price for buys. For sells, yeah, for sells we need closure below this key level 160 195.3, 195.4, and then maybe on the break of the lows we can take some sells. Today gold is very tricky, and be careful. Now, like, this is just open the new 1 hour candle, just opened the New York open candle on GJ. Let's go ahead and check what was the analysis on GJ. Weekly was pushing, but we had that very strong resistance. We wanted a breakout of this candle for buys. But have been a nice trade, but support the channel. I hope this video was actually break the lows. For sells, I didn't check anything on GJ because we were right over here, and as anticipated, this resistance was confirmed here on the break of these lows. After this bearish candle confirmation on the break of the lows were very nice buys on London session. But however, now we're approaching the support again, which we need to break below in order for price to continue to a downside, to fill this, to correct this clean traffic, maybe to mirror to a downside. That's for sells. You need a closure below here, something like this, and then as soon as price close below here, then we can have a bearish candle to take this trade right over here. For buys, I don't see anything for buys except above here, but it seems very hard for price to come up to tap that level. However, if we form some sort of support like this and then we break out bullish here also, you can take some buys. So we need a confirmation of this support, and then if we can break the highs here, we can possibly test the top of the range again. But yeah, it's a bit tricky and risky to trade inside the range. For sells, we need a candle something like this, and then potentially we have a candle something like this to the downside. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Please make sure that you trade safe, and yeah, I see you guys on the daily roundup video. Bye bye.